we have already seen the Bentham and Hooker system of classification. Its outline and salient features. We also seen the main points as well as its merits of this system. Now we are going to see the demerits of this system. Each and every system having its positive points and each and every system having the negative points. Here the system is not a phylogenetic one. The system is not a phylogenetic one. It does not give any idea of the evolutionary trends. Evolutionary trends means from one generation to another generation, how they comes from and which characters are added, which characters are deleted. This does not give this clear-cut idea about this one. Therefore, their affinities or relationship among the each family not shown here. Means this is one of the most important demerit of this Bentham-Hooker system. It is not a phylogenetic one. It does not give the evolutionary trends, and it does not give rise to relationship between the affinities of these families. Here, the position of the gymnosperms in between dicots and monocots. The position of gymnosperms in between dicotyledons and monocotyledons. These are the only convenience फक्त समजण्यासाठी. The gymnosperms does not give any relation to the dicot as well as the monocot. This is a separate group and it gives not a relation to this dicot and monocot one. Because dicot and monocot, the ovary, that is a seed enclosed within the container, that is ovary wall, and gymnosperms are not shown the ovary wall, the seeds are naked. Therefore, this group is a separate one, and this does not give the affinities between these dicotyledons and monocotyledons. Here, third demerit, that is a monoclamidy. The monoclamidy, that is a subclass, is much evolved. Then subclass Polypetalae is more primitive, and in between monoclamidy and Polypetalae, the third subclass Gamopetalae is a place. and this is gamopetally in between placed monoclinidae and polypetally. This relationship, that is a polypetally, gamopetally and monoclinidae, is also not gives the relations between the among the families. Then fourth one, retention of monoclinidae. Retention of monoclinidae families are placed. Therefore, the monoclinidae subclass is not well described. Not well described. This one is again the demerit of this family. Means the monoclinidae, it is also known as apetally. Petals are absent. Flowers are incomplete. Here, this subclass does not give well described families. Means shortly they are described directly into the 8 series, and this is not a convenient one, and does not show the affinities. Then separation of Liliaceae family and Amaryllidaceae families on the basis only inferior ovary. Liliaceae family shows onion, garlic, asparagus. This family shows ovary superior. Amaryllidaceae family, that is a tuberose. This family, the gynoecium, that is the carpels, they shows the inferior ovary. Means, though the Liliaceae and Amaryllidaceae, tuberose plant and onion, garlic plant, thus all characters are same. That is a habit, root, stem, leaves, inflorescence, flower, calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. In the gynoecium only, in Liliaceae ovary is superior and ovary is inferior. Only inferior or superior one characters. Remaining all characters similar. Closely related families, they are kept from each other. This is again one of the demerit of these families. Here, polypetally families, here inferior ovary is kept at the end of growth. Means weightage is given first, that is the ovary superior, then the ovary inferior. But in a gamopetally families, inferior ovary is the first. Inferior ovary placed in first natural orders. First the natural order. And here inferior ovary at the last group. Natural order, lastly inferior, last. It's only inferior or superior characters. They are closely related characters. They are kept from each other in this polypetal and gamopetally. Means weightage, it is inferior ovaries are kept in the natural group to the last on this gamopetally. Inferior ovary describe the first, and later on in the natural orders, superior ovaries are present. Means, though the Bentham-Walker system is accepted all the countries, in field area as well as the laboratories, they are very simple. They are in a written simple, easy follow. Students are easy follows. Closely related families kept together. They are based on morphological all possible characters, though they are simply one, having the merits, but it also have the demerits. And demerits, these are the we have seen here. Here, Benthamukar system, its salon features, its outline, its merits and demerits. This point we have clear. Thank you.